Alright, in this video we're going to go over typography, specifically setting your header tags, setting your hyperlinks, and going over the ability to set ordered lists and options we have with that. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is obviously log into the back end. We want to come under Appearance and find Theme Options. Once we've done that, we want to find Typography. It's the bottom tab here. And then here we have a few different things we can do. We can control the hyperlink colors and effects. We can control heading fonts, which is what we see here, the H1 tag, H2 tag, and so forth. As well as the content or the P tags, and that would be like a general sentence like you see here under the titles. We can control the fonts for the menu, the main menu I mean, so that would be this right here. As well as widget titles and list titles. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I will try to keep this as short as possible. First thing I want to go over are the header tags. And when we create content sections and pages within WordPress, we have the ability to set the header tag. That way you're maintaining consistency. So every page has the same title size and your content's the same size, and etc. So as an example, let's say I'm creating a section here, and this right here, this title, I want this to be H3, an H3 tag. So we can see here, this is my H3 size, my H4 size, and etc. So to make sure it's the same size, I would just highlight this, and then in the drop-down menu, choose which header tag I want, H3, H4, and so forth. Okay? So pretty easy. Let's go back to the theme options. Typography, and then headings, and then under here we'll see each setup for each heading. So it's H1 all the way through H6. So you can set your type of font, you can set your color, and your font size. Okay? Next is your paragraph font. You can set that just like you do the heading tags, as well as your color and size, and then your line height. And your line height is the space between each sentence. So right now for the demo we have it set at 24. Alright, next is the menu. Like I said, that's the main menu we see right here. Same thing, choose your font size, your colors, and etc. Widgets, those would be the widget titles for your sidebar. For instance, the blog page, that would be this right here. And then last are the lists, or not last, I forgot the hyperlinks, but I'll come back to that, apologize. Your lists, and the list would be these right here, so you need to make a list. You can set that. Same thing, your color, your font type, your font colors, the spacing, the type of font, the type of icon you want. For instance, we have a circle here, you can use a square, a disc, or you can actually upload your own little image. And then the hyperlinks, you can set the color of the hyperlink, whether it has an underline or not. And then the rollover, you can change the color for that and whether that has an underline or not. So currently, in our demo, I have a hyperlink to be blue, which we see right here. And then a rollover has nothing, it just has the finger pointer. So maybe I want to change that. I'll come back. And let's see, let's use the font color from the demo. So let's paste that in there, and then I want a rollover of an underline when you hover your mouse over it. Go ahead and save this. Let's refresh, and now what I should get is a little bit of a rollover effect with the different color. Okay? Alright, that will do it for this one.